This is a product that will never leave my skincare shelf. This skincare routine has your girl looking plump, my moisture level on point, skin barrier check, putting you guys on to an effective yet affordable skincare routine. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ejilechi, and in today's video we are going to be doing my morning skincare routine. My morning skincare routine focuses on hydration, nourishment, and all of the good stuff. At the beginning of this year, I set some skincare goals for myself. I really wanted a well-hydrated skin, a nourished skin. My morning skincare routine focuses on nourishment, hydration, while my nighttime skincare routine focuses on treatments like treating hyperpigmentation, treating all of my skin concerns. I'm going to do a separate video where I show you guys my nighttime skincare routine, but for today we're going to be doing my basic, simple, affordable yet effective morning skincare routine. So I've already washed my face. I did that in the bathroom. I didn't want to spill all of the water and all of that, but I'm going to show you what I used for washing my face. So this is the product here. Is the FACEFACTS Ceramide Skin Barrier Complex. I think they have two types. They have the foaming cleanser and they have the hydrating gentle cleanser. And just like I said, my morning skincare routine focuses on hydration. That's why I went for the hydrating gentle cleanser. And boy, I'm loving this product. You know, when they say a product cleanses, I forgot. Let me, use something on my lips. I'm going to be using Vaseline to just hydrate it. Make it look plump. You know when they say a product actually cleanses your skin but doesn't strip your skin of moisture? This is the guy here. This FACEFACTS Ceramide Skin Barrier Complex Hydrating Gentle Cleanser is really gentle on my skin. It cleanses my skin, but it doesn't strip my skin of its moisture. So I've been enjoying it. It has hyaluronic acid and oats. It deeply cleanses dry, sensitive skin and helps strengthen your protective moisture barrier. So this would help fix your damaged skin. It is very, very mild on the skin. I am really loving it. Maybe in a separate video I'm gonna go into these products and really talk about the ingredients of this product, but if I do that, this video is gonna be very, very long. So, and this bottle is huge. I don't think I'm going to be getting a cleanser for like 6 months, and it is also quite affordable. I think I got this for about 10,000 naira also. So it is really very affordable and I'm loving it. I personally believe that cleansers are one thing that you don't necessarily need to splurge a lot on. Do you understand? You just need something that helps to cleanse your skin. And if you probably have skin concerns, maybe you might have to use something that has an active in it, maybe salicylic acid, all those stuffs. But if you're using that, you probably wouldn't have to use that every other day. Do you understand? So on those days when you're not doing your treatment or during the mornings, you can actually use this product. Let's get to the next thing I'm gonna do. So guys, the next product I'm gonna be using on my face is a favorite of mine. Like, this product is a game changer, and that's the ACWELL I hope I get that correctly. That's the ACWELL LICORICE pH Balancing Cleansing Toner. Guys, I am in love with this product. I love this product. I haven't actually seen any bad review on this product. Everybody has been, going over the hills about this product, and I actually understand them. Like, I get it. This product is exactly who she thinks she is. This product has brightening and hydrating effects. It is actually very nice for sensitive skin. I don't necessarily have sensitive skin, but you mustn't have sensitive skin to use this product. It is so mild and it leaves your skin with this glow. I sometimes like to take a cotton pad put a little on the cotton pad and use it to wipe my face. But since I'm going to be doing that later tonight I'm going to be treating my skin, so I'm going to be doing all of that later tonight. I'm just going to take a little on my hands and take in most of this juice. So I like to rub that in, and immediately you see the glow. Just take a look at it. This area has the product and this area doesn't have the product. Look at the difference. So I like to also take that down to my neck, just like I told you guys, because whatever you do on your face, you do on your neck. So this is the first layer. I like to have this dry into my skin first, and then I proceed to add another layer of this product on my skin. I think some people go as much as having 7 layers. I don't do that. Depends on how I'm feeling. 2 to 3 layers is okay for me. For my skin, just like I've said severally on this channel, like skincare is everything that works for other people might not work for you. For me, I've noticed that for my skin, less is more. I don't really like to pump my skin with a lot of products at a time. So 2 of this actually works. I know I've done more than 2, but so you should remember your forehead, your ears, your neck, and all of that. So you can actually stop here and actually have your moisturizer on, but I still am focused on hydrating my skin. That is why I go in with another product. And this other product is from FACEFACTS. It is the FACEFACTS Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Like I said, I am really focused on hydration. This helps to replenish and lock in hydration for radiant skin. These FACEFACTS, they are really trying, like, and their products are quite affordable. This toner retails for about 18 to 20,000 depending on your location. Yeah, but it is really worth it. This is a product that will never leave my skincare shelf. It will never leave my skincare shelf. I love this product. Love this product. And this retails for about, I think, 7,000 naira. I can't remember, but it's within that range. So I like to do 3 pumps. 1, 2, 3. Okay, rub that in, rub it in, rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. Extend to your neck, just like I said. Your forehead, your ears, every part of your face needs all of this goodness. So you really want that to absorb into your skin. You want your skin to absorb all of that goodness. That's one thing I think some people miss out on their skincare routines. Like, you actually want your skin to absorb the product before you layer another product on top. It just works better. Your skin can actually benefit from that actually. So I'm gonna let this sink in. That's why you need to take time for yourself. Baby girl, self-care is really very important. You don't need to rush your self-care. You can wake up a little bit earlier if you're someone that works like me, to make sure that you have a detailed, really cool self-care routine that would actually work. Okay, the next product I'm gonna be using right now is my moisturizer, and the one I'm currently using is the one from Simple. It's the Simple Replenishing Rich Moisturizer. I have a video dedicated to just this product alone on my channel, so if you want to hear me rave about this product, you can check that video out on my channel. I'll actually also leave the link in the description box. But I'm still using this because I still have it. I actually want to change my moisturizer, and it's not because this isn't working anymore. It's just because I want to try something else, and that's the COSRX Snail Mucin Moisturizer. That's because I want to infuse something with snail in my skincare routine, because I'm really going for that glass skin, and that moisturizer does that a lot. So I'm not a girly that would actually leave my skincare product and jump into something else. I would finish this product as long as it's been working for me, then purchase what I want to purchase. But I've been using this product for years. I love it. Love, love, love this moisturizer. Love it a lot. So yeah. Yes guys, this is where we are right now. My skin looks hydrated, it looks nourished, like everything is on point. And because it is the daytime, I want to use my SPF. Do you understand? Because I want to protect everything I've done right now with my SPF. And the SPF I'm going to be using today is the one from Bio UV. Don't know, I really don't know how to pronounce this properly, but this is the one I'm going to be using today. Will I be repurchasing this product? Definitely not. I didn't experience anything bad using this product, but I don't really love it. Do you understand? Like, it's just a fair SPF. It's cool. I've seen some persons that really love it, but it's just there for me. Do you understand? It's not bad. It's not really super great. I think I want to do something better. I want to use the sunscreen from Topicals. Do you understand? Black Girl, that, yeah, Black Girl, whatever sunscreen. That's what I'm going for. The three finger rule. 1, 2, 3. It really blends into the skin fast. I like to take whatever is left, rub on my neck, my hands as well, because your hands are also out in the sun, baby girl. You want to try to protect those hands before you start having grandma hands. This skincare routine has your girl looking plump, has my skin well nourished, looking hydrated, my moisture level on point, skin barrier check. I'm putting you guys on to an effective yet affordable skincare routine. These products have been doing wonders on my skin, and my skin is actually loving it. I'm also going to drop my nighttime skincare routine for you guys, so you see some of the treatment products I've been using for my hyperpigmentation and all of that. Don't forget to like this video, because it helps YouTube to actually recommend this video to other persons that need it. Subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't subscribed already. We always talk about interesting topics on this channel. Feel free to leave a message for me in the comment section. In fact, if you watch this video, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section. If you have any sort of video that you want to see from me, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel as well, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.